Welcome to the pre-market report of 4/7/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 15,686. Top CPR is in 15,709 and bottom CPR is in 15,653. R1 placed in 15,860. R2 placed in 15,961. R3 placed in 16,143. S1 placed in 15,577 and S2 placed in 15,403 and S3 placed in 15,295. The center pivot of Bank Nifty placed around 33,429. Top CPR is in 33,484. Bottom CPR is in 33,373. R1 placed in 33,777. R2 placed in 34,015 and R3 placed in 34,363. S1 placed in 33,191 and S2 placed in 32,843 and S3 placed in 32,605. Let us check the global market first. On last Friday, all the US market closes firmly in green, especially US VIX was down by 7%. It indicates our market going to stabilize soon. On last Friday, most of the European market closed in flat condition. Some of the European market was in negative, some of the European market was in positive. This doesn't give any direction to our market today. Right now, most of the Asian market trading in positive direction. It indicates our market going to be turned towards up direction, but some of the Chinese market was in negative condition. So right now the overall global is in mixed condition only. Right now, all the US and European futures trading in negative direction. It gives slight negative direction to our market. Nifty future trading around 15,731. Our previous day close was 15,752. It indicates our market going to open in slight gap down or in flat condition. SGS Nifty also trading around 15,735. It is also indicating market going to open in flat condition. On last Friday, the foreign institutional investor sold for 2,324 crores and the domestic institutional investor bought for 1,310 crores. The overall institutional activity in sell side, it gives slight negative direction to our market. This is option chain data in NSE website. Here we can see which option has highest open interest. Right now, 15,500 put option is highest open interest in put side. It has 83,035 contract in open condition, as well as in call side 16,000 call option has highest open interest. It has 80,786 contract in open condition. So the option writers believe market going to be expire between 16,000 to 15,500 by this week, and moreover smart people create 15,800 short channel. They can sell 15,800 call option as well as 15,800 put option. By selling both 15,800 call option and 800 put option, they can collect combined premium of 300 rupees. So they believe market going to be expire between 15,500 to 16,100. According to the option writers view, market going to be expire between 16,100 to 15,500 by this week. The foreign institutional investor has 16% long position index future as well as 84% short position index future. The domestic institutional investor has 46% long position index future and 54% short position index future. The FAS doesn't change their long and short position on Friday, but DAA increases his long position by 5%. It gives slight positive direction to our market because DAA believe market going to be turned towards up direction. That's why they increases the long position by 5%. The overall view is last Friday US market was closed in positive condition and European market was also closed in positive condition. Right now most of the Asian market is in positive, some of the Asian market in negative. So the overall global condition is mixed right now. US future trading in negative condition and European future is also trading in negative condition. Nifty future and SGS Nifty indicating flat opening. FA is in sell side, DA is in buy side. As per the writer's view, market won't move beyond 16,000 in upside. as well as 15,500 in downside. This is Nifty chart in TradingView. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white. After that R1, R2, R3 in green. Previous day high in dotted green as well as previous day low in dotted red. After that I marked S1, S2, S3 in red. This red line was recently market faced resistance and came down. It was important turning point. Right now Nifty future and SGS Nifty indicating market going to be open somewhere around 15,734. This is just above to bottom CPR. Today the CPR width is very wide, so it going to be a sideways only, and moreover there is no clear direction from global market. Right now most of the Asian market is positive and most of the US and European future was in negative. So the overall global market was in mixed condition. So that also doesn't give any clear direction. The CPR width is very wide. It is also indicating market going to be in sideways only. So there is less chance for option buyers. If market breaks top CPR as well as previous day high in upper side, go long, but there is less chance to move further up direction because there is important turning point at 15,852, because recently market fell from that point, so that is going to be act as a good resistance 15,852. If market approaches 15,852 upside and face resistance and form a bearish win bar, you can buy nearby put option, that means 15,800 put option. Book your profit at top CPR or center pivot. This is our final conclusion. There is no clear direction from global market as well as price action pattern. I hope market going to be in sideways. It going to be consolidated between top CPR and R1, center pivot and R1, or bottom previous day low between center pivot. It going to be consolidate like this. Wherever market opens, it can consolidate like this. If market opens with slight gap up, then it going to be consolidated between center pivot and 15,852. If it opens slight gap down, then it going to be consolidated between previous day low and center pivot. I hope market going to be sideways only, so there is less chance for option buyers, and moreover Reliance has heavy selling pressure due to the government increases is tax for crude product export. So if Reliance is going to be weak, the entire Nifty going to be weak, because Reliance has highest weightage in Nifty, and right now most of the US future trading in negative. It gives light negative direction to our market. If US future pull the Asian market negative and our market going to be turned into negative direction, then Nifty going to be consolidated between previous day low and center pivot. If Asian market pull a US market positive, then our market also turn into positive, but there is lot of chance to market going to be in negative direction. The main point is Reliance going to be drag the market, as well as US future is in negative condition. This is two main reason market going to be in negative direction only.